Hey YouTube, just wanted to show you how satisfying it is when you're feeding your chickens. Just put some food out here for them and they are just going crazy. It's just fun watching them. They're like, tap, free food. And this is Cecily chicken. She is sitting on the edge. Get down. There you go. She's sitting and eating backwards. That one is a buttercup something. Sicilian buttercup. The one with this polka dot yellow neck. She's the only one that does not lay eggs yet. So, or she's laying it somewhere that I don't know. But yeah, I should be getting a white egg. And obviously, I am not getting a white egg. I'm getting all browns and a blue. But no white egg yet. So I'm not sure when she's gonna lay egg. She's at least 6 months old. And she's growing a comb. I can see it's red. Zoom into her face. She keeps moving. They were hungry. Yeah, I feed them every day, but sometimes I don't feed them. Like, I'll miss a day in a week sometimes. It's not very common, but I do sometimes. Like yesterday, it was raining like dogs and cats, and I didn't get a chance to come and feed them. So they were out and about and in my pasture finding bugs. And I'm sure they found quite a few bugs, and I'm hoping today's egg have a lot of golden, dark golden yolks. So when you don't feed them, they eat bugs, and that's when they have the most nutritious eggs. But I do feed them. Anyway, YouTube, just wanted to show you this chicken feast going on. Now they're slowing down. Boy, they were hungry, starving. Alright guys, bye, have a nice day.